Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung TV black screen. Its top 3 reasons and fixes. So stick to the video, don't skip any part and watch it complete. If you have the black screen problem, I always recommend to perform a flashlight test of your TV in power on condition. These are the 2 results you will find after the flashlight test. So first one is picture showing after light focusing, panel okay but backlight strips or inverter faulty. The second result you can find is picture not showing after light focusing, that is panel problem. Now I will show you how to perform the flashlight test. First of all, power on your TV and release its standby by pressing the power key on the remote or on the TV. You are watching that my TV is on, its green light is on, but it is not showing the display. Now I will focus the torch light, or you can use a mobile light also. If you find the display after focusing the light as I am having, then your panel is okay, but your backlight strips or your backlight inverter area is faulty. So before moving further, it's always recommended that perform a flashlight test. Now I will discuss the problems one by one and show you how to fix them. Viewers, problem number 1 is panel okay but backlight strips faulty, and its chances are 85%. Whenever you will have black screen problem, there are 85% chances that your backlight strips are faulty. So whenever you power on your TV and you are getting no display, black screen, sound only, you have the backlight strips problem. So in this case you have to open the back case of your TV, then detach all the LVDS cables and other connectors from the back of your TV, open all the screws, then you have to turn it and lift the bezel upward, that is used for panel safety. After removing the bezel, you have to take apart the panel. It is also called screen. Take care while lifting it up. Now the next step is to remove the plastic fitting of panel. After this you have to take off the reflecting papers. Then remove this reflecting paper. Now our backlights are visible. Irrespective of the model, you can do this on any TV, any model. You have to check the backlights with the help of a backlight tester. If you don't have this tester, I will give you the link in the description that how you can easily make this LED backlight tester on your home. I have checked that our backlights are faulty, so I will replace all the strips. This model have only 2 lights. It depends upon size and model. So don't worry, use the same process. Now I will check the new ones. You are watching that all the lights are glowing. So this is okay. Now I will test the second one. This is also okay. Now I will replace both lights and remove the dead ones. I have attached the new lights. Now the next step is to test before assembling of the TV. Attach the keypad jack and power it on. If your all lights are working, then you are good to go. Now assemble the TV step by step as we have opened it. First of all, reflecting papers, then panel fitting, then panel, then attach the LVDS cable. Then attach the back cover and install all the screws. After assembling the TV, we will check this. Our black screen problem has been solved. Our display is okay and the TV is ready for watching. Now I am discussing the problem number 2, that is panel okay but backlight inverter faulty and its fault chances are 10%. So whenever you open the TV for the black screen problem, first of all you have to check its voltages at the backlight driver jack. These are the backlight driver jacks. I will power on the TV and put the meter on DC to DC range and check the voltages if there is any. I am getting no voltage after powering on the TV. So its backlight inverter area is faulty. And now we have two options. We have to repair this or we have to install external backlight driver. But the SMDs are not easily available in the market. So we have to modify it and install the backlight, universal backlight driver as I have done. Backlight drivers are of many types. I will share the complete video in the description box how to install the universal backlight driver to any LED LCD TV. Check it if you have this problem. It is very easy to install, viewers, and you can easily manage this. Problem number 3 is, viewers, backlight strips and backlight inverter okay but panel not working. Its fault chances are 5%. All the LED LCD have T-con or scalar PCB as you are watching. So there are some DC to DC voltages in it. And what happens if these voltages are not present? We have no picture. How to check DC to DC voltages on panel or T-con board? If any one of these voltages are missing, then you have display problem. First of all, check the VIN voltage, it should be 12 volt. Then VGL, it is -5. VGH, 26 to 30 volts. Then VDD, it is 15 volts. HVDD, half of the VDD. VCC, 3.3 volt. So if all voltages are not present, then replace DC to DC IC. If any one voltage is missing, then check nearby SMD PFR shortages and replace them. So this is the video for a black screen problem. Hope you have enjoyed it. Goodbye and thanks for watching.